got a flat tire, so I might as well do a review on the Slime Emergency Repair Kit. Let's go. Going for a chilly ride. Today, caught a screw in this tire. We've got it plug in it, but I have no way to inflate it. So we're gonna be jumping on the electric scooter to a Walmart that's not too far away and buy one of those, the slime repair kits that includes an inflator. Far so good. We made it to the wall. I need one item. There we go. You ever wonder where I park my scooter when I'm in a Walmart? I don't. Sometimes I'll take, I got a little bungee cord and I'll bungee cord the basket onto the deck and I'll just push my shopping cart around. Getting warmer. Oh, the island of slime. If you gotta break down, it's a good thing to break down within a mile of a Walmart. Purchase my inflator and slime. Heading back to the car now so I can see if I can get this thing ready to roll back in action. Let's see what we can do. Boxing, let's see what we get here. Pop the tab. All right, so what do we got in the box? We got an inflator, and I needed one of these because my other one was stopped working. The one that came with the car. The one that came with the car also had some kind of sealant that you screwed into it, and it made it really, really good. Well, this one isn't the screw type, so we're just gonna go with some air. And if so, that's as much as rescue as we need. Come out of there. Gently undo this. Alright, so this slime inflated. Brings to mind the fact that the lesser one probably pumps slower, so whatever, as long as it rescues us. Coming out of that, so I gotta clip that, but I think we're good to go. Got the repair made. I just really needed to warm up in the car. And tires are filthy now. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive. But so far, so good with this tire repair. I almost forgot the phone mounted to the outside of the car. Slime Smart Repair Kit. Smart Spare Repair Kit. Emergency